Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss about properties of the binomial coefficients. Dear students, this is also very important, students. So, especially in the properties of triangles, sometimes we are taking differentiation and also we are taking second order differentiation also. Sometimes we are taking integrations also. Okay, students, all of you please concentrate on it. The first we know that the standard binomial expansion. What is the students? 1 plus x whole power n is NC0, after then NC1x, then students NC0, NC1x, after then NC2x square, NC3x cube, and so on. NCR x power r and so on. NCN, the last term is the students x power n. Is it clear, students? The 1 plus x whole power n, dear students, NC0, NC1x, NC2x square, NC3x cube, NCR x power r, NCN x power n. My dear students, now this can be written as NC0 is nothing but C0. This is C1x. This is what? C2x square. So dear students, C3x cube and so on. CR x power r, Cn x power n. This is the standard binomial expansion where C0 is the NC0, C1 is the NC1, C2 is the NC2, C3 is the NC3, and CR is the NCR, and Cn is the NCN. Dear students, now we know that the C0 value, the C0, dear students, what is the C0? NC0. NC0 equal to, we know that NCN. NCR is the NCN minus n. So dear students, simply it can be written as C0 equal to Cn. Both are equal to 1. After then, students, C1, NC1 equal to NCN minus 1. This is also simply you can written as C1 equal to Cn minus 1. Similarly, students, NC2 equal to NCN minus 2. Therefore, C2 equal to, dear students, C2 equal to Cn minus 2. Here C2 nothing but NC2. So and so on, students. How can you write? And another one, NCR is the students NCN minus r. So CR is the Cn minus r. These are all called as binomial coefficients. Okay, students. After then, the 1 minus x whole power n. This is what, students? C0. We can write it as C0 minus C1x, C2x square minus C3x cube, and so on. Minus of 1 power r, CR x power r. This is the students, and so on. And so on. The final term is the students minus 1 power n Cn x power n. These are the standard binomial expansions. Okay, students? My dear students, right now, the first one, students, C0 plus C1 plus C2 and so on Cn is the 2 power n. C0 minus C1 plus C2, after then minus C3. So when it is alternative sign, C0 minus C1 plus C2 minus C3, that is 0. And only even suffix C0 plus C2 plus C4 is the 2 power n minus 1. C1 plus C3 plus C5 also 2 power n minus 1. These are very important formulas, my dear students. So here we can observe the CR is nothing but NCR. What is the students? CR is nothing but NCR. Now students, we can recognize, we have to know that, dear students, we know that the 1 plus x whole power expansion, the 1 plus x whole power expansion is just now we completed C0, C1x, C2x square, then students C3x cube and so on, Cn x power n. Okay students, Cn x power n. Dear students, now we are substituting on both sides. X equal to 1. Put x equal to 1. What is the students? When we are taking x equal to 1, this is C0. After then C1, this is the C2 and C3 and so on Cn. 1 square 1, 1 cube 1, 1 power n is also 1 into 1 into n times 1. So students, this is what? The 1 plus 1 is the 2. Undoubtedly students, this is the 2 power n. My dear students, how can you write the students C0, C1, C2, C3 in the sigma notation? When you are taking r equal to 0, this is C0. R equal to 1, C1. R equal to 2, C2. And so on, r equal to n, that is nothing but Cn. Cn. This can be also written in the sigma r equal to 0 to n, Cr 2 power n. Now students, substituting x equal to minus 1 in the above expansion. This is what students? C0 minus C1 minus 1 whole square is the plus C2. This is minus of C3. Dear students, minus 1 power n Cn, this will be 0. When it will come alternative sign, undoubtedly that expansion is 0. Dear students, here simply we observe this is what? 0. So this is what students? 0. So now students, this will be taken some 1. This is you can write in the sigma notation, sigma r equal to 0 to n minus 1 power r Cr. Minus 1 power r Cr. Undoubtedly student, that is 0. This will be taken as 2. Now students, we are sum of these two, 1 plus 2. That implies, what is the students? We got 1 plus 2. Undoubtedly students, this is what? 2 into C0. After then plus C1 minus C1 is cancelled. C2 plus C2 is the 2C2. Then what students? C4. My dear students, C4. Then you can take an as 2 power n plus 0. This is the students 2 power n. 2 power n plus 0 is the 2 power n. My dear students, now this is what? C0 plus C2 plus C4. Then it will be sending to the other side. Dear students, C0, C2 plus C4. Undoubtedly, the 2 power n by 2 is the students 2 power n minus 1. My dear students, C0 plus C2 plus C4 and so on 2 power n by 2 is the students 2 power n minus 1. Okay students, now difference. When we are taking the difference, dear students, the 1 minus 2 that implies students C0, C0 cancel. This is what? C1 plus C1, 2C1. Dear students, this is the 2C1. After then, dear student, minus of minus plus 2C3, that will be equal to, dear students, 2 power n minus 0. What is the student? 2 power n minus 0. Then you can written as this is the students C1 plus C3 plus C5. Dear students, this is the 2 power n by 2, undoubtedly 2 power n minus 1. Is it clear students? C1 plus C3 plus C5 and so on 2 power n minus 1. And even suffix C0, C2, C4 also 2 power n minus 1. Sum of the all coefficients, that is C0 plus C2 plus C4 and C6 and so on is the 2 power n. When it will come alternative sign, C0 minus C1 plus C2 minus C3, that will be equal to 0. Is it clear? Now students, another one. My dear students, this is C1, 2 into C2, 3 into C3, n into NCN. Is it clear students? 2 into C2, 3 into C3, n into Cn. This is also we can written as 1 into C1. So dear students, coefficients are there. At the same time, n into Cn is there. Cr is nothing but NCr. My dear students, right now we are taking, dear students, 1 plus x whole power n. We know that the standard binomial expansion is 1 plus x whole power n. This is what students? C0, C1x C2x square, C3x cube, and so on, Cn x power n. What is the students? Cn x power n. Now students, differentiating with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x on both sides. Dear students, when we are differentiating with respect to x on both sides, this is n into 1 plus x whole power n minus 1. The derivative of constant is 0. This is C1. Now the derivative of x square is the students 2x. So this is the 2x. After that student, the derivative of x cube is the students 3c3x square. What is the student? The derivative of x square, the x cube is the 3x square. So dear students, after then, my dear students, now the derivative of x power n is the n into x power n minus 1. Okay students, now my dear students, now we are substituting x equal to 1 on both sides. Substituting x equal to 1 on both sides. Dear students, when we are taking 1 plus x, substituting x on both sides, undoubtedly, dear students, what you got here, this is C1. This is 2 into C2. This is the students 3 into C3. And so on, n into Cn. This is what students? 1 plus 1 is the 2. n into 2 power n minus 1. n into 2 power n minus 1. That is C1, 2C2, 3C3, and Cn. Okay, students? Now this is also, we can write sigma notation. R equal to 1 is the 1C1. R equal to 2 is the 2C2. Finally, RCR. That is what? n into 2 power n minus 1. My dear students, suppose we are taking, this is enough students, proof is completed. Now students, suppose when we are taking put x equal to minus 1. What is the students? When we are taking x equal to minus 1, undoubtedly students, what we got? C1 minus 2C2. After then plus 3C3. Is it clear students? And so on. How can you write? Minus 1 whole power n minus 1. Minus 1 whole power n minus 1 n Cn. Then it will be students plus 1 minus 1 0. 0 power n minus 1 0. 0 into n 0. This is what students, when we are taking, when we observe alternative sign, plus minus, anywhere it will be 0. So dear student, this is also we consider in the sigma notation. How to write? This is r equal to 0 to n minus 1 power r minus 1 n c r, it will be 0. What is the students? Is there r dot cr? So dear student, 0 into some value 0. When we are taking 1 c1 we got. When we are taking 2, that is 2 minus 1, 1 that is minus 2 into C2. So this is in the sigma notation. Minus 1 power r minus 1, r into cr is the 0. When we observe, it will be alternative sign, plus minus, undoubtedly in the differentiation also it will be 0. Okay students? My dear students, one more observation is, suppose students sometimes they are asking C0, C1 3, C1 3, C2 3 square. How to write students? Suppose in this expansion, put x equal to 3. What you got? X equal to 3. The objective point of especially they are asking C0, C1 3, C2 3 square, and so on. Cn 3 power n is the value. 1 plus 3, 4 power n. What is the students? Suppose 4 is there. C0, C1, 4, C2, 4 square, C3, 4 cube. Undoubtedly 1 plus 4 is the 5 power n. My dear students, this is also another observation. My dear students, here suppose sometime they are asking here also C1, 2C2, 5, 3c3 5 square. Also they are asking like this. Now we are, suppose here 5 is there, undoubtedly students put x equal to 5 on both sides. What is that? C1 plus 2c2 5. After then students 3c3 5 square and so on. What is the students? Cn. Okay, yeah. What is the students? NCN 5 power n minus 1. This is what? Dear student, 1 plus 5 is the 6. N into 6 power n minus 1 is the answer. Suppose student, they are asking, suppose 2c2 5 square is there, 3c3 5 cube is there, NCN 5 power n is there, and also we are multiple on both sides 5. That is 5c1. When we observed here, 2 is there, 5 square is there, 3 is there, 5 cube is there, n is there, 5 power n is there. Then you can multiple with 5 on both sides. That is C1 5, 2 into C2 5 square, 3 into C3 5 cube, n into 5, n into Cn into 5 power n. This is 5 and 6 power n minus 1. Okay students, on both sides we have to multiple with the 5. Then they are C2 5 square, C3 5 cube. They are in the uniform. Okay students, this is also these are also substitutions. Okay students. My dear students, right now we saw that sigma r equal to 0 to n r square into cr. Sigma r equal to 0 to n r square into cr is the n into n plus 1 into 2 power n minus 2. Dear students, right now sigma r equal to 0 to n r square into cr. This is what students, sigma r equal to 0 to 1 r square can be written as r into r minus 1. Dear students, this is plus r. So dear students, how can you write the student? This is r into r square. This is minus r plus r cancel. So my dear students, this is r square minus r plus r cancel. After that we can written as sigma r equal to 0 to n r into r minus 1 into cr plus sigma r equal to 0 to n r into cr is there. So dear students, just now we find out this one. What is the student? This is r into r minus 1. What is the students? R into r minus 1 is the students. My dear students, all of you observe the 1 plus x. Listen carefully students. The 1 plus x whole power n, c0, c1x, c2x square, cn x power n. So now differentiating with respect to x. My dear student, this is what r square can be written as. This is r square minus r plus r cancel. Now students, how can you write? This is the students differentiating with respect to x. This is, first of all, we are differentiating with respect to x. N into 1 plus x whole power n minus 1. Derivative of c0 constant it is c1, 2 into c2x, 3 into c3x square, and so on, n into cn x power n minus 1. Dear students, when we are taking here, this is the students, when we are taking, again, dear student, r into r minus 1 is also there. So how can you write the students? Differentiating with respect to x. Dear student, this is how can you write? N into n minus 1 into 1 plus x whole power n minus 2. The derivative of c1 0. Dear student, this is what? 2 into c2. After that students, 2 into 3. Yes, 2 into 3 c3x. We can written as the student, this is what? N into n minus 1 into cn x power n minus 2. Is it clear students? In this case we are taking 2 times differentiation. My dear students, here when we are taking here, this is put x equal to 1. Put x equal to 1, this is what? C1, 2c2, 3C3 and so on NCN. This is just now we proved that n into 2 power n minus 1. This can be, how can you write this? This is the student sigma r equal to 0 to n r into CR. That is what? N into 2 power n minus 1. How to write the students? When we are taking 0, then it will be 0. 1C1, R is 2, 2C2. Similarly, finally, NCN, that is the n into 2 power n minus 1. So, this is confirmed. This is the formula of n into, what is the students? N into 2 power n minus 1. This is the students, n into 2 power n minus 1. Now students, we can substituting here. This is put x equal to 1. We are substituting from this. How can you get students when you are substituting x equal to 1 for this formula? This is the students 2C2. After then 2 into 3 into C3. Then what? N into n minus 1 into Cn. This is the students n into n minus 1 into 2 power n minus 2. So students, n into n minus 1 into 2 power c minus 2. How can you write the student? Sigma r equal to 0 to n, the last term is there, r into r minus 1 into cr. So students, now we observe r equal to 0, this will be 0. R equal to 1, dear students, r equal to 1, 1 minus 1, 0. When we are taking r equal to 2 into 1 into C2. When you are taking r equal to 3, 3 into 3 minus 1, 2 into C3. Similarly, r equal to n, that is n into n minus 1 Cn. So students, is there r into r minus 1 into Cr is the formula students, n into n minus 1 into 2 power n minus 2. This is what? When you are taking 2 times of derivative, undoubtedly that is n into n minus 1 into 2 power n minus 2. So dear student, this is what? N into 2 power n minus 1. Now taking students, what is the common? N into, what is the common students? Is n is there, here also n is there. So here the least one is the 2 power n minus 2. So students, we are taking the common is n into, yes, n into 2 power n minus 2. Is there n minus 1? Already we was taken, n is the common. Dear students, when we are taking the 2 power n minus 2, this will be 2. So when we are taking 2 power n minus 2 into 2 power 1, undoubtedly 2 power n minus 1. Minus 2 plus 1, a power m into a power m plus n. Minus 2 plus 1 is the minus 1. So what this is? N into minus 1 plus 2 is the plus 1. N plus 1, 2 power n minus 2. This is the n into n plus 1 into 2 power n minus 2. Okay students? So my dear students, suppose they are asking r equal to 0, r square minus 1 power r. What is the students? Suppose they are asking minus 1 power r. Undoubtedly students, the proof will say, we can written as minus 1 power r minus 1 power r into r square cr minus 1 power r. This is what students? Minus 1 power r. This is also minus 1 power r. Already I explained students, when we are taking, suppose here we are substituting x equal to minus 1, it will be 0. So undoubtedly, dear students, we can observe each and every time when the alternative sign will come, undoubtedly this will be 0. After the one time differentiation, when we are taking x equal to minus 1, this is 0, c1 minus 2, c2 plus c3, this is also 0. 0 plus 0, 0. So students, sigma r equal to 0 minus 1 power r square into cr, undoubtedly students, this will be 0. Okay students, this will be 0. Right now students, this proof also, another method is also there. For r square and r cube terms are suppose is there. The alternative method is there. So right now I will explain the alternative method. My dear students, here we can written as the sigma r equal to 1 to n r square cr. how to write the students? R square is R into R minus 1 plus R. R into R is R square. Minus R plus R cancel. Dear students, R square CR. R square can be written as, how to write the students? R square is R into R minus 1 plus R. Minus R plus R cancel. There is remaining R square. So after that, we will do, dear students, how to write R into R minus 1 CR. This is R CR. Sigma R equal to 1 to N. This is the formula, students. N into N minus 1 into 2 power N minus 2. This is the formula after 2 times differentiation. This is the students N into 2 power N minus 1. So after we are taking N into 2 power N minus 2 is common, we got N into N plus 1. So this is the arrangement. Suppose we have to forget it, this one. Undoubtedly, students, R square can be written as A into, how to write the students? A into R minus 1 BR. How to write the students? R square can be written as A into R minus 1 then BR. Dear students, now we are equating the, undoubtedly, dear students, equating the coefficient of R square on both sides. Coefficient of R square on both sides. So dear students, when we are equating the coefficient, when we are equating the R square coefficient on both sides, this is 1. This is the students R square. So students, A value is the 1. Now students, we are equating on both sides R coefficients. R coefficients, equating the R coefficient. This is 0. This is the students minus AR, minus A. This is what? BR. B equal to the students A. Therefore, just now we find out A is the 1. So how can you write the students? R square can be written as R into R minus 1 plus R. This is R square can be written as R into R minus 1 plus R. Suppose students, here R cube CR is there. Suppose the students, how can you prove that? R cube CR. So my dear students, R cube CR. What is the students? Now students, the sigma R equal to 1 to N R cube into CR. Dear students, first we can find the R cube. A into students R into R minus 1 into R minus 2. Undoubtedly students, cube term is there, R into R into R into R cube. After that student, B into R minus 1. This is the CR. Okay students, R cube can be written as like this. Now students, how can you write? This is the students R cube into A into R. This is what students? R into R square. Undoubtedly minus R minus 2R is the minus 3R. Now this is plus 2. After then BR into R minus 1 CR. Now students, equating the first coefficient of R cube. Then what? We have to find the values of A, B, C. So dear student, first we are equating the coefficient of R cube on both sides. This is students R cube 1. R square into R is the R cube, that is A. At the beginning we got A equal to 1. My dear students, right now we are equating the coefficients of R square. My dear student, the coefficient of R square in the left hand side is there 0. Here student, this is minus 3R square, that is minus 3A. This is what students? B. BR square. Okay students, now this is what? Undoubtedly students, B equal to 3A. Minus 3 is the plus 3A, that is a 3. So students, B value we got 3. Now students, we are equating the R coefficients. What is the students? R coefficients. So dear students, equating the r coefficients, or put r equal to 1 on both sides. That is 1, this is 0, this is 0, c will be the 1. The one more observation is the students, when we are taking directly r equal to 1, r cube is the 1, this is 1 minus 1, 0, complete term 0, this is 0, c value directly we got 1. So, and another way is the students, equating the coefficient of r. Okay students, that is here 0, the coefficient of r is the students 2a, here this is minus b, here this is c. So students, how can you write this is undoubtedly students c will be the b minus of 2a. b is the students 3, this is 2, so c value is 1. Already I explained, when we are taking r equal to 1 on both sides, c will be directly got 1. Okay students, a is 1, b is 1, and sorry, a is 1, b is 3, and c is 1. Okay students, now my dear students, we observed r cube a is 1, that is r into r minus 1 into r minus 2. b is the students 3, r into r minus 1, c is the value 1. So these are the a, b, c values. A is 1, b is 3, c is 1. Now students, the left hand side is where sigma r equal to 1 to n r cube into cr. R cube into cr. Dear students, the sigma r equal to 1 to n r cube, just now we find out r into r minus 1 into r minus 2. Okay students, that is the r cube. After that 3r into r minus 1 plus r, dear students, into cr is there. Okay students, now this is what sigma, my dear students, sigma r equal to 1 to n r into r minus 1 into r minus 2 cr. After that sigma r equal to 1 to n, my dear students, sigma r equal to 1 to n is there, r into r minus 1 into cr. My dear students, sigma r equal to 1 to n. My dear students, the sigma r equal to 1 to n r into cr. Dear students, this is in the 1 plus x. My dear students, in the 1 plus x whole power on expansion is c0, c1x, c2x square, and so on cn x power n. We can take how many times this is? 1, 2, 3. 3 times of differentiation. What is the students? 3 times of differentiation we got n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into 2 power n minus 3. What is the students? 2 power n minus 3. Dear students, this is what we have to know that. Already we proved that this one. How to write 2 times differentiation? R into n into n minus 1 into 2 power n minus 2. Okay students, this is what student? This is only first time differentiation. This is what? n into 2 power n minus 1. Okay students, this is a 3 times differentiation. This is 2 time differentiation. This is only 1 time differentiation. Every time after differentiation, every time we are substituting x equal to 1. So students, we observe that each and every time common is the n. Then also 2 power n minus 3 also common. So dear students, what are the remaining? N minus 1 into n minus 2. So dear students, here what is the remaining? This is, what is the remaining? Dear students, we are taking the common factor is n into 2 power n minus 3. Here remaining n minus 1, n minus 2. So here the n is we have taken common, 3 is there, and n minus 1 is there, and 2 power 1. So dear students, we observed minus 3 plus 1 is the minus 2. So student, this is we can write directly 2 square. N is we taken common. What is the students? Minus 3 plus 2. Minus 3 plus 2 is the minus 1. Now simplifications. Dear students, n into 2 power n minus 3, 2 power n minus 3, n square minus 3n plus 2. So, n is n and minus 1 multiple will here. This is n square minus 3n plus 2. After that, students, this is 2 3 the 6n minus 6 plus 4. What is the students? 2 3 the 6n minus 6. Now students, this is what? Undoubtedly students, n into what we got, my dear students, n into 2 power n minus 3, n into 2 power n minus 3, n square is there. First term, what is the students? The first term is the n square, yes. After that students, we observed here the n square is there. Then what? My dear students, that is 6n minus 3n. Undoubtedly student, this is n square. After that, my dear students, n square. Then what students? 6n minus 3n is the plus 3n. After then, undoubtedly students, what is there? This is what? 4 plus 2, 6. 4 plus 2 is the 6. 6 minus 6, 0. So students, we observed here this is, when we are taking n is the common, n into 2 power n minus 3, n is the common, n plus 3. Dear students, n into n square, n plus 3, 2 power n minus 3. My dear students, what is that one? The n into, undoubtedly students, the question is, mistake is there. Here this is the n minus 3. Dear students, right now, this question mistake is there. This is minus 3 only. Okay, yes, it is vowel. Yes, this is 2 power n minus 3. N square into n plus 3 into 2 power n minus 3. Okay, students, this is correct. After that, students, the one more observation is, when we are taking minus 1 power r, note, undoubtedly students, each and every time, that is sigma, the sigma r equal to 1 to n minus 1 power r cube into cr, this is also 0. Minus 1 power r into cr 0. Minus 1 power r square into cr 0. Minus 1 power, right now r cube into cr is also 0. Okay students, when it is r cube is there, undoubtedly here we are taking 3 times differentiation. Okay students, my dear students, this is also very important students. A plus D, A plus D, A plus N is Cn. So this is what student, the left hand side. We are taken as sigma r equal to 0 to n. Sigma r equal to 0 to n, A plus Rd into Cr. First we take 0, this is A, 0, C 0. When we are taking r equal to 1, A plus D, C1. Similarly, up to n, A plus n D, Cr. So students, first you can take A is the constant, that is sigma, A can be written as outside of sigma, r equal to 0 to n, Cr. After that student, D is the constant, sigma r equal to 0 to n, r into Cr. My dear students, this is what? Cr. C0 plus Cg. Cr means C0 plus C1 plus C2 plus C3 plus C4 and so on. This is, we know that directly when we are taking 1 plus x whole power n, C0, C1x, C2x square and so on, Cn x power n. Substituting directly x equal to 1, this is the formula of 2 power n. A into 2 power n. This is what, dear students, r into Cr. After one time differentiation, then we have to take x is substituting x equal to 1. This is what student? What is the form? N into 2 power n minus 1. Yes, what is the students? N into 2 power n minus 1. My dear students, this is what? 2 power n minus 2 power n minus 1 is the common. The 2 power n minus 1 is the common. Yes, students. When we are taking the 2 power n minus 1, dear students, this is the 2a. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel. Yes, students. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel. This is 2 power n. This is the students n into d nd. So students, we can written as 2a plus nd into 2 power n minus 1. 2a plus nd into 2 power n minus 1. Similarly, students, suppose is there sigma naught. My dear students, alternative sign is there. Suppose not sigma r equal to 0 to n minus 1 power r a plus rd into cr. It will be 0. That is, we got minus 1 power r cr minus 1 power r into cr. This will be 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0. Okay, students, write down. Based on this, students, prove that 2 into C0, after that 7 into C1, 12 into C2, and so on. 5 1 plus 2 into Cn. Okay, students, we have to prove that 5 1 plus 4 into 2 power n minus 1. So students, this is the form AC0, A plus BC1 and A plus A is the 2, difference is the 5, A plus ND into Cn is the form. We know that, dear students, what is the form? 2A plus ND into 2 power n minus 1. 2A is the students here. What is the A? 2. AC0 and the difference is the student common difference. That is a 5. Difference is the 5. So student 2a, 2 2 is 4. After that d is the 5 n. 2 power n minus 1. This is the 2 power 5n plus 4 into 2 power n minus 1. Okay, students. Okay, students. This is the today, students. All of you practice today video. Okay, students. This video is very important for the binomial coefficients. C0 plus C1 plus C2 and so on, Cn 2 power n. Even suffix are 2 power n minus 1. Odd suffix 2 power n minus 1. When the sign minus sign, alternative minus sign is there, undoubtedly student plus minus, it will be every time is 0. Okay, students, tomorrow we will discuss remaining models based on integration. Okay, students, thank you all.